Hello guys, good morning, good day, good afternoon. How are you doing? Today I have finally decided to leave my grow watt inverters behind. I mean, they are good inverters, but I can only run them on one phase, so I have decided to go on with a 3-phase system. So I bought this one. It's a Solax hybrid inverter, generation 4. And it is rated to 15 kilowatt and it can handle unbalanced loads and other stuff. The biggest difference here is of course the voltage. This one runs up to 800 volts and cannot handle 48 volts, so I need to have another battery, and I have plans for that, but that will be later on. And the second reason is that when my battery is full, this one will start to sell the excessive power from my panels out to the grid. So there we have it. Let's do an unboxing. I have to say that this unit is very heavy. So the net weight of this is 30 kilos. Here we go. Here's the plate. That will be on the wall. Stainless steel. User manual and some solar connections and other stuff here. Some hardware expander bolt to put into your wall, also in stainless steel. Communication terminals. I have to say that it seems to be really well packed. It's a lot of foam here. It's pretty hard too. We also have a lot of room here. So I was a little concerned about this one here, so it seems just to be a tear, but you never know. We'll take a look at that when I bring it up. Seems to be really nice stuff actually. Let's dig into it. I'm not sure how I will get it out here. It's so heavy. So here are all the terminals. I guess it is the switch for the PV power. And there we have the battery connection, upgraded dongle, okay. And we have the communication ports for the BMS. Let's take a little look on the back side. Here we have the fans, and here is the, I don't know what to call it, but you probably got the idea here that it's going to sit like this, or maybe no. Like that. Then you have the secure bolts here. We have the grid connection here. And we also have the EPS connection up here. And this one will cover this area like so. It's very well protected. Well, I have to say that it seems to be a very nice unit. Oh, I have to go out here. It's so much noise down there. So I hope that I have time to install it as soon as possible, but I need to remove one of my grow out inverters first, and it can be pretty hard to be completely off grid after that. But hopefully I will do this in 1 or 2 days. Then we are up and running with a Solax hybrid inverter. Maybe not on battery yet, but at least on solar. That will be pretty much everything for today, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a fantastic day, and I hope that I see you later. Take care and goodbye.